my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. Please, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before. You can already tell by the title. I'm going to be using a self-tanner. Occasionally, and even in some of my videos, I've used a temporary skin tint, but this is a full-on mousse tanning, what do you call it? I don't even know how to say it. But this is a full-on self-tanner. It's permanent for 1 week to 10 days. So however the results come out, I'm gonna have to just deal with it. Now you probably want to know, Chantel, why are you doing this? I'll tell you why. Lately, Sephora has just been throwing any random sample into your order box. So it doesn't matter what you choose, they're gonna give you what they wanna give you. So they sent me a blonde hair dye shampoo, didn't need it, and they sent me Isle of Paradise tanning drops. Also didn't need it. You know, curiosity took over and I went ahead and tried the tanning drops. I don't know if I have any photos of it. If I do, I'll insert them here. I put a little bit on my arm. It was clear. There was absolutely nothing. The next morning I was in the shower. There was just a giant patch of dark brown on the back of my arm. And I was just like, I wonder how this would look on my entire body. So this is how this came about. It comes with a mitt, it comes with the tanning mousse, and it comes with a bronzing water face mist, which I believe you're supposed to spray on your face to give it like a natural tan. I don't know if I trust that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and just, I guess, we'll go from there. So just a little disclaimer. Right now the sun is going in and out. I've had this product for some time now and I've just been waiting for a nice day to film. I think you're supposed to wait about 10 hours before you see results, but in 10 hours it will be night and I want you guys to see a realistic view of it. So I might show you a little clip in 10 hours, but I'm gonna finish filming the rest of the video in the morning. So let's go get started. Hopefully my camera isn't blurry because my focus has been kind of acting up lately. So it has this mitt. It has like styrofoam inside, and then I'm assuming I use the fuzzy side to apply it, and the back just says tropez. Yeah. Inside we have the spritz and the mousse. I don't think you guys understand how nervous I am to do this. Like, am I making the biggest mistake of my life? And I see a lot of girls when they do self-tanner, they end up getting it stained on their hands, on their palms. I'm really trying to avoid that. I have a little bit of discoloration like on my arm, and then I have a birthmark, you know, stretch marks, all the typical stuff. So I want to see if this self-tanner stuff will kind of help to even that out. I guess we're gonna see. And I won't be using any on my face just in case this goes totally wrong. So you guys are just gonna see the first 1 pump, 2 pump. Ooh, it's happening. Oh my gosh, there's no going back. So I guess I'll start here on top of my arm. And another thing that I saw online that isn't so great with transparent tanner is that you can't see where you've already applied it. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, there's a little bit of that nasty self-tanner smell that I'm starting to smell now. I'm gonna do one more layer just to see. You know, this is an experiment, so we're going all the way. By the way, I showered beforehand and I moisturized my body, so hopefully that doesn't have like some sort of negative effect. So, just doing the chest area. I have a feeling that this part is gonna turn out really bad because I think I've gone over it too many times. So one mistake that I keep on making is I keep on touching my skin and I keep on letting the tanner get on my hands. Because it's transparent, I'm having a really hard time like focusing. I'm gonna try a little bit of this spray. Okay, now I'm doing my stomach area. Oh, I have to do my back. I can't only have the front of my body tanned. Now I'm gonna do my legs, so I'll show you guys. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers on my leg since I did 2 layers on the rest of my body. Almost done this leg, and you can see that we're already like halfway down the bottle. So this is probably good for 2 uses, this mini kit. Okay, I'm done with my legs. So now I'm done tanning my entire body. I did 2 layers. Now for the next step. I saw online that while you're waiting for your tan to go through or process or whatever, you have to wear something very loose and baggy. So I'm gonna be putting on this little nightgown. Not exactly my cutest outfit ever, but we're wearing it. I will update you guys in about 8 hours to let you know the progress of this tan. It feels kind of sticky. I feel like my skin is tingling. I don't know if that's normal. The smell is okay. It's not unbearable. It just feels like, it smells kind of like a summer sunscreen type of thing. My skin is very sticky. I feel sweaty. That's the word for it. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes in a bit and keep you updated. Hey guys, so just a quick little update. I've just been laying down on this towel because I don't want my sheets to turn all tan in case the tan actually does transfer. So I've decided to use a bit of the Isle of Paradise tanning drops just because I know for a fact that they actually do work. So it's been 2 hours. I haven't seen any difference with the tan so far. So I just wanted to use some of this so I can do a comparison between this and the tropez. And this is Isle of Paradise 100% vegan, cruelty-free and organic medium self-tanning drops. I'm going to just take the glove. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. So you can see this one is really clear too. Now we'll be able to see the comparison tomorrow. 2 hours in, this is it. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated again. Hi guys, it is the next day, which means I'm going to be revealing the results of my tan to you. And let's just say it's a little bit underwhelming. So if you were hyped up to see the results, just know it's not worth the hype. It didn't really make that big of an impact. Let me just back up and show you guys. One mistake I made yesterday was I didn't do just a full 360 so that I could do a proper comparison. You guys can see overall the tan did not really make a huge impact. The only thing I would say is on camera I do look a little bit more even. However, in person, not so much. Like any imperfections or anything that I thought the tan might cover, it actually just accentuates them in real life. So in the last clip that I took yesterday, you guys saw 2 hours after my tan was developing, I used a little bit of the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. And the arm that I used them on did come out more tanned than the other, so this one looks like nothing really changed. I look the exact same as I did at the beginning of the day yesterday. However, the one that I used the Isle of Paradise tan drops on did have a significant change. Like I can't even see my veins on this arm, but I can see them clearly on this one. Which that in itself tells me that the tan did not really do anything. I just want to say I could have saved myself time, energy, effort, money if I had just read the reviews online. They don't have the best reviews. They only have 3.5 stars. And one of the main things that people kept on saying in their low reviews is, didn't notice a tan, don't buy, liquid was missing from the mousse. Oh my gosh, maybe that's why it was half empty, because I didn't really use that much. Patchy and a little orange. Someone said that it smells awesome, but that they have 0 tan and saw no change. I'm not going to go through every review, but I did have pretty much the same experience. I wasn't expecting a drastic change. I do think I have a little bit of an orange tinge to myself though. I did buy something else that I've really been looking forward to using. It's the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering Body Oil. So this has absolutely no tint to it, no color or anything. It's just basically glitter and oil. And it has the scent of the Soleil Blanc perfume. So this is like a dry oil. So if you are looking to purchase this, don't expect any tint or anything. It is pretty much just glitter in a bottle with a little bit of oil, but not the type of oil that moisturizes your skin, just dry oil. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really had fun doing this one. It was a really fun experiment, and never did I ever think I would be using a self-tanner, but I did it so that you don't have to. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.